this amazing event. We had so much fun, kids and adults.
We are having so much fun. Great time. Thank you.
Thank you.
For everyone, for the kids, for the adults. We are really enjoying as a resident. Thank you very much.
Every year we wait for this event. Thank you, Nakheel. We love you guys.
Hello, thank you Nakheel Management, and it is an amazing event, and thank you for Eid Al Etihad. Happy Eid Al Etihad.
Thank you very much, Nakheel, for the event. It was awesome.
Thank you, Nakheel. The event is really good.
Shukran Nakheel.
I think the event is really well organized. Like in one corner you can get the food, you see some national handcraft, you know, and then another corner you got some games. So I think the mixture of the event has been really well organized. So we love it.